Are you frustrated with your YouTube channel stagnant growth? What if I tell you that there is a secret to skyrocket your views, your subscribers in YouTube? Watch this video till the end. You know the secret to skyrocket your views and your subscribers. It is very simple. It's something you need to correct from the beginning you start your channel. Not real that late, even if your channel, you have created it, you have started posting videos, you can correct it anytime and you will see changes in your channel. If today is your first time of seeing my face, please subscribe to this channel and make videos on how to grow on YouTube, do your content and make money online. How to use AI. One of the biggest hurdles for YouTubers is not lack of creativity. It is also not lack of editing skill. The most hurdle YouTubers face on YouTube is making the wrong choice of niche. It might be what has been holding your channel stagnant, not growing. When you make a choice of wrong niche, it affects you. It affects your views. It affects you getting subscribers because you are on the wrong niche. Choosing the right niche is laying a very good foundation for your YouTube. It is over important. You will choose a niche that will resonate with your audience and also work with YouTube algorithm, boost your channel's growth so that you start making money. The importance of niching, you cannot overemphasize. Imagine this: you are talking about health one day, stretching to business. The next day, you are into politics. Next other days, you are into traveling. Before you know it, you are into spirituality. Before you know it, you are into family. Before you know it, you are into fashion. All in one channel. Confusing, right? Not will only your audience struggle to know what to expect from you, but YouTube algorithm itself won't know who to recommend your videos to. A clear niche builds trust and keeps your audience coming back for more because they know you are gonna dish out something better than what you have been giving them before. The right way to choose the best niche for you, you're gonna combine two things. Number one thing is your passion. You combine your passion and your expertise. Combine two of them together and you're gonna dish out a very good niche that your audience will resonate. And you know something about picking a niche. You pick a niche that you cannot get tired of. You pick a niche that you will not be exhausted with. You will not be exhausted with topics. These are the important things you consider while picking a niche. The secret to combining your passion, your skill, your experience into one focused niche. You can do something like love, healthy eating, and fitness. Yes, you can combine it. Bring them together into a channel that is all about living your best, healthiest life. But remember, do not mix topics that clashes, like pairing politics debates with makeup. How does it relate? They cannot be combined. Keep your content related. Let it be related. Let it be that there is something that is blending them together There is also what is called inward and outward factor. The secret to combining your passion, your skill, your experience into one focused niche. You can do something like love, healthy eating, and fitness. Yes, you can combine it. Bring them together into a channel that is all about living your best, healthiest life. But remember, do not mix topics that clashes, like pairing politics debate with makeup. How does it relate? They cannot be combined. Keep your content related. Let it be related. Let it be that there is something that is blending them together. There is also what is called inward and outward factor. When choosing a niche, consider both inward and outward factors. Inward factor means your passion. Thinking about your passion, your skill, and past experience. That is the inward factors. It's coming from inside of you. What topic can you speak automatically? You can speak this topic without looking into any book, without thinking it. It is coming from inside of you. That is your inward factor. Then the outward factor, something like a homework, something you make research about. You don't know much about them. You do them as a homework. You have to make research about them before you can deliver something. These are your outward factors. You research trending things, what your competitors are doing. You look into YouTube and see what is already working. These are outward factors. Let me give you few of profitable and less focused niches you can go into in YouTube. But the best of it should come from you. Nobody should tell you niche you have to do, because you know yourself. All you have to do is combine your skills, your experience, and your expertise. Combine it and make up a niche. But let me still give you examples of profitable niches that you can go into that will make good money for you. Number one is tech and gadgets reviews, unboxing and tech tutorials. This niche, wow, it makes good money. Do you know why? Do you know why? After making the videos, those products that you are using to make the videos, you put the link below the video. People buy like mad. You will be selling right from the day you start that YouTube channel. You can start from that day and be making money. I am telling you. The only thing is that you have to spend money too, because getting those products might not be free unless you have access to a shop. Maybe you want to do a phone review. Maybe you have a friend or relative that sells phone. You can go to their shop and do your review. You can, go and talk to someone. If not, meaning you have to be buying the phone, which might not really be easy for you as a starter. That is the time you will get into it. You can afford to buy any phone at any given time because there is money there. You use money to make money.
The list of the niches are below the video. Profitable niches you can pick. Subscribe to my channel, like this video. Peace out.